Create a store on eBay, then find most selling products in Amazon and list out the same product in your eBay store and fix your profitable price. Once you get orders from eBay, place orders for the same product in Amazon and give shipping address your eBay customer address. That's all. Create a very useful website and post contents frequently and link your website with AdSense. When the website reach enough traffic, AdSense plays some ads in your website and you get money for that. Make an audio clip of your ebook and sell it on audiobook selling platforms like Amazon Audible. Create an app for your content or hobby and upload it on Google Play Store. It's also give you more money like the same method of website. Select most trusted and growing companies and invest on those companies. Within 1 or 2 years, your investment must double or triple. If you have enough capital to run a business, then you must consider to sell your products in e-commerce sites to reach your customer globally and make money easily. Or create your own e-commerce website and sell your products without any competition. In this method, you don't want to pay any commissions to anyone. Make videos about your passion or interest or your profession and upload it in YouTube and monetize the videos to make money passively. Write a book, which topic are you expert, and sell it in online. There are a lot of ebook publishing platforms are available and it's also completely free like Amazon. Create a course for your preferred content and post the videos on Udemy and also other platforms like Udemy. Or conduct live webinars for that course and get paid. Take a quality photo and sell it in online platforms like Shutterstock and make money easily. It don't need a professional camera since nowadays smartphones have good quality for photography. Make a good quality graphics and sell it on Etsy. Canva is best place to make quality graphics. Canva have free and paid versions. The free version is enough for making good quality graphics.